Well, what you're going to see here is some of the trials and tribulations of hunting together over the course of a season, waking up super early, and having very strong opinions. We've been after this bird for a couple days, and you can see and hear that we'll just continue to argue over if he's on camera or not.
What did you say? It's coming. I know. Do you have the cameras on? Are the cameras on? Is it on? I'm working on the cameras. Is the main camera on? Not worried about the GoPros if you got the main camera on. Won't work? Yes or no?
Yes, the main camera is on. Well, I'm sure if you film, you've gone through this same argument as a cameraman or the hunter many times. And basically what was being said was, is the camera on? Is the other camera on? Yes, the big camera's on. No, the GoPro's not working. Pay attention to the bird. Get the cameras on. And ultimately ended with an argument later. I'm pretty sure that was a long shot.
He was putting. I had him right here, but I didn't hear you say for sure the camera was on.
Sure, the camera's always on.
I wonder what spooked him.
Really? You wonder what spooked that bird? It's not like we were using our inside voices arguing about the camera. Well, that's enough of our mishaps and sleeping on the job. Let's get into this hunt. Now, what you'll see here is our complete setup for the day. We had a big set out because we knew there was a big flock. We had multiple hens, a couple feeders, a couple uprights, a breeder, one strutter. Our blind was set up parallel to the wood edge. And over here's the wood edge. Well, now that you know how we got here and how we're set up, I hope you enjoy the rest of this hunt. I wouldn't get in the battle with me. Now you're going to get some great footage of these hens running in and ultimately the tom coming up to the decoy set. But the reason that the big camera and better footage is not here is because what you'll see me scrambling for is an extra battery for the big camera. Ultimately, the battery malfunctioned and the camera wasn't turning on.
still on him. I'm gonna try to shoot him because I don't trust where he's moving. Right. He's still good.
Yeah.
He's still good.
Hey, Ryan.
Nice scouting, Phil. Longbeard XR ripped.
How does no tag suit for 2019 look to you?
Feels pretty darn good. I'm glad we got the stinking camera rolling. We had some battery issues there.
Had the Strutt'n 360 moving. We have a Strutt'n 360 on a Strutt'n Jake. We've got a Strutt'n 360 on an Avian X feeder hen. We've got a Strutt'n 360 on a GoPro. So we are 360.
We are Strutt'n 360, baby. All right. Thing's got some really nice spurs on them.
Those are good inchers for sure.
Oh, yeah.
That one's pretty long.
And nice color to them. Probably a 9.5, maybe 10 inch beard. Decent, but this tail is awesome. Check this thing out. So normally these tip colors, try to do this one-handed, these tip colors go all the way across, obviously. These ones don't have the dark, and this white goes all the way down into all the way down. So that's pretty cool, like little, I don't know what causes that, but pretty sweet character on a bird for sure. All right, well, we set up the full decoy spread. Everything worked out perfect. Phil did a great job scouting, and I was able to put my first tag on a bird this year after having a couple close calls earlier in the year. So really, really cool hunt. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out some more of our videos. Thanks for watching.